Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to check graphics card on this laptop. While the graphics card in the laptop is integrated, you can still check the info about it. To do that, open the Start menu, go to Settings, then in Settings, on the left side of the screen, scroll down to the System option, open it, then scroll down to About and open the About section, and here you're gonna find the info about your graphics card. So here is the name of your graphics card. Since it's integrated, it's simply AMD Radeon graphics, and here is the amount of the video memory on it. Now if you want to check more advanced info about your graphics card, you have to right click the taskbar, go to the task manager, and once you are in the task manager, select the performance section right here, then select GPU. Here you can also find the name of your integrated graphics card and also all of the specifications about it at the very bottom of this page, and in the middle you can find the resource usage monitors for it. So that's how you check your graphics card. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.